Ndewo, aha m bụ Nathan. Abụ nwa for Yoruba. Mana Igbo n'aka name.
Ha, Nathan. Are you the one that speak this one?
Yes.
What you said now, can you say it in English?
Yes.
Okay, what do you say?
I said my name is Nathan. I'm a Yoruba boy. I'm learning Igbo from you, my beautiful mommy.
Oh, my baby boy is learning Igbo, and my baby girl too is learning Igbo. You're learning Igbo, right? You're learning Igbo, right? When I said your own. Oh, my beautiful baby. Mwah.